member up to Strathcona, followed by up to McClung.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Today is International Human Rights Day, and this year's theme is Human Rights 365, encompassing the idea that every day is Human Rights Day. But LGBTQ youth in Alberta face a fight for their basic human rights every day. And now this PC government doesn't have the respect to be honest about why, at this point, they're not protecting these rights. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was proclaimed 66 years ago today, yet unfortunately our Premier's understanding of human rights has not kept up. Let's be clear, there is no right to discriminate, not for governments, not for school boards, not for anyone. The Premier is hiding behind an outdated interpretation of our Constitution to get out of having to take a real position on LGBTQ rights. There is no right to discriminate. There is simply an acknowledgement that Catholic school boards may retain the religious character of their schools. No court has ever found that these rights extend to creating what is essentially a separate but equal 1950s-style group of second-class citizens. GSAs are separate, voluntary, extracurricular groups. In no way do they infringe on anyone else's rights or interfere with the school's religious character. The Premier's best defence is a case which draws from precedents set in jurisdictions with a different system and that, more importantly, is almost 30 years old, when charter rights were in their infancy. The law evolves, as does our province, even if this PC government won't. Alberta Catholic school boards themselves have said that they will not challenge a law protecting GSAs. There are no excuses left to avoid joining the 21st century. Alberta's LGBTQ youth have a right to a safe, inclusive education, a right to non-discrimination, a right to dignity and respect. Today, on the International Day for Human Rights, this Premier needs to stop dodging the real issue and stand up for LGBTQ students in Alberta.